everybody, April with Left Hook Creations again today. I just haven't done a pour in I don't know how long, so please excuse the craziness that is my workstation. I have not cleaned it up in a while and tidied, but that's okay. Today I'm going to try something that I have never seen anybody do. It's nothing fancy and I don't know if it'll even work, but we're going to try it because you know what? I like surprises. And today, the day that I'm recording this, is my birthday, so I might as well give myself a little present of a painting. So I'm painting over a previous canvas because this is a test. And obviously I'm not really a fan of this, so I figured why not just do my little test on this used canvas. So my thought is I'm gonna pour the paint in here and start pouring it, and then I'll add other colors to the cup so they mix very minimally before they pour out. And we'll see how that works. All right, let's make sure. I haven't used my paints in a while. Okay. Make sure these are clear and open. All right. So interesting so far. So I'm just gonna get the rest of this black paint out. Which will create a nice dark center. I like that so far. Okay, so get rid of some of the air bubbles in here. Since I haven't used my paints in a while, I had to do quite a bit of shaking. So I'm gonna give this a little buffer around the edges so I don't lose all the color. That should be more than enough paint. So I kind of want to do, I'm gonna do this side of the thing. Oh, that's fun. I like that so far. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna get the edges wet here with this black paint. Help the center stuff flow a little better and not get kind of stuck on the dry canvas. I think my family's starting to arrive to celebrate my birthday. Kind of looking forward to that. Here in 2021, family gatherings are a little on the rare side, as everybody is aware. Okay, let's see what we get here. Now, which way do I want to twirl this? think we'll go this direction. We're just gonna kind of stretch this out. I really love this because, you know, this orange color doesn't always play very nicely with the black. So this is kind of awesome because it didn't like meld with it completely. So that's kind of like a pain point with it, with some of these brighter colors, is they just, the black just muddles them up and it doesn't always look so nice. All right. I think it's time to start going off the edges here. Should have enough paint to do that without overstretching my design, hopefully. Ooh, I love this so far though. Sorry everybody, I know it's kind of like you can't see anything. So I'm gonna move this a little back. Oh gosh, I love that. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Okay, okay. So very happy with this new little weird technique. I am pleased. So give me a second and I will bring you down for a close-up. All right, so now let's do our close-up. I just love this. Pardon my ring light. There's so many, do you see all these little glimmers on the surface of the black? That is all the air bubbles that is still in here though. Let me get a better angle. So hopefully that's not gonna be too bad as those come to the surface and pop. But I love this. See how clean these lines are? That's not like muddled. Because you didn't pour, you know, I didn't pour everything in the cup and then just pour it all out and it get all mixed together. This is great. Okay, so I'm totally doing another one of these and I hope this dries okay because it was on that used canvas that I didn't really prep. So we'll see. But let me know if you liked it and I will see you next time.